So I got a new monitor today. I got a Samsung smart monitor. I think it's the M5 version. I got it for a pretty good price. So I just wanted to come on here and unbox it and show y'all what it looked like and all of that. So let's get started. First of all, the box is already like, I ain't even need this because my daughter came here, sat on the box, and then it was like halfway open anyway. So yeah, all this dang bubble wrap. All right. So let's open up the monitor. Top styrofoam has everything like the bracket, the batteries, the manual, the power cable, the stand cover, all of that stuff. And this up. So this is currently my desk setup, my little work from home area, and as you can see, it's a hot mess. So I'm gonna take all this stuff down so we can put up the new Samsung monitor. So I took everything off the desk except for that monitor, which is the HP monitor that I got from Target, like in a panic, but I like it, so I kept it. I didn't want to get rid of it. Here's everything that came in the box. We have the monitor. We have an HDMI, batteries for the remote. This is the remote. This is the little panel, the stand, the power cable. So let's put this all together. Okay, so I got everything plugged in. I got the power cable plugged in, HDMI. I put the batteries in the remote. And I can't ever open nothing for some reason. So yeah, I struggle to get the dang on back off to put the batteries in. Just don't make no sense. So now we're about to plug it in and see how it look and get it set up. Ooh, so it's cutting on. Okay.
Two simple options. How would you like to get started? Choose one. To use the accessibility function, simply press and hold the volume button.
So this is the home screen. This is what it looks like. The remote is very clicky, in case you can't hear. Okay, so this is nice. You can also go here and connect your computers and everything here. So this is nice. I like this. So that's the end of this video, and I'll holler at y'all later. Bye.